In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on HEX future while examining HEX cost estimate for 2022 and past in a kind of enormous manner. Kindly, for the most part, remember that you ought to really think about this and any exceptionally other expectation while considering other factors, since anticipating anything explicitly is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like HEX. Presently, we should head into it in a sort of significant manner. Before we dive especially profound into the HEX value expectation and answer questions in the event that HEX especially is a by and large wise speculation or not. For what reason will HEX for the most part succeed or for the most part fall flat, or for what reason will HEX value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in a real sense, toss a look at what especially is HEX and its to-date history in an all things considered, significant way. HEX value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days and in an every practical sense, enormous way. The very entire crypto world basically is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin, in every way that really matters, has fallen 75% from its unequaled kind of high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon in a real sense is cloudy, and there will in a real sense be somewhat more blood in the city of the crypto town in an essentially enormous manner. Financial backers most certainly are selling hazardous resources and moving into essentially more kind of stable business sectors, or so they thought. Crypto by and large is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous for the most part play, and thus the auction in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees a green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in a significant method of some sort or another. This explicitly is especially reflected in our 2023 forecasts, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin essentially has to find a base before we can move the other way and fundamentally alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will for the most part begin to basically do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many especially times in the far off and genuinely later history. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the very next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which essentially is genuinely huge. We expect whales and other, in every practical sense, greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike in a significant manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture, which generally is genuinely critical. Essentials that we assess sort of are group: tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few especially other, in every practical sense, exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, which sort of is genuinely critical. 2022 1201 0.23% $0 0285 2022 1202 in an unobtrusive manner, plus 1.08% $0 0288 2022 1203, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, plus 2.15% $0 0291 2022 1204 in an unobtrusive manner, 1.61% $0 0281 2022 1205, which is very huge, plus 3.81% $0 0296 2022 1206 in an all things considered, significant way, 2.55% $0 0278 2022 1207, which generally is genuinely huge, 1.87% $0 0280 2022 1208, plus 0.96% $0 0288 2022 1209. 7.61% $0 0263 2022 1210 in an especially significant manner. 6.11% 2 cents HEX value expectation 2022 incredibly. At the point when we in a real sense take the inside crypto issues with genuinely huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 essentially isn't looking excessively kind of great for the bulls, or so they thought. We will likely sort of see a great deal of exceptionally exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to for the most part slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise in a sort of significant manner. Beneath especially is a month-by-month breakdown of the fundamentally last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DEC 13.11% $0 0248 2023 Jan in a significant manner. 26.62% $0.0209 2023 Feb in an unpretentious manner. 22.00% $0.0222 2023 blemish, or so they in every practical sense thought. 17.29% $0.0236 2023 APRA, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 5.34% $0.0270 2023 May incredibly. Plus 2.79% $0.0293 2023 Jun, or so they thought. Plus 0.27% $0.0286 2023 Joel in a significant manner. Plus 17.98% $0.0336 2023 AUG, which explicitly is very huge. Plus 25.04% $0.0357 2023 SEP. Plus 31.76% $0.0376 2023 OCT, which is very huge. Plus 28.99% $0.0368 2023 NA. Plus 42.50% 4 cents HEX value forecast 2025 in an unpretentious manner. Our forecast model sees HEX coming to 6 cents in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. What will HEX generally be in every way that really matters? Worth in 5 years, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The cost of HEX in 5 years could truly lie around $0. HEX coin value expectation 2030 to 2040, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. What HEX will basically be genuinely worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2030, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. What HEX will be worth in 2040, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our estimating model sees HEX coming to $0 in 2040 in a genuinely enormous manner. Will HEX generally supplant, especially outperform, especially overwhelm Bitcoin, which fundamentally is very critical? No, HEX won't supplant or really overwhelm BTC, or so they in every practical sense thought. Can HEX in every way that really matters reach $1, which basically is genuinely critical? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to by and large reach $1 in the for the most part short or midterm period. Will HEX reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to truly reach $10 in the especially short or midterm period, which in a real sense is very huge. Can HEX reach $100 or so they truly thought? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for HEX to generally reach $100 in the kind of short or midterm period, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. How high will HEX go, which sort of is genuinely critical? Our estimating model sees HEX cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, or so they generally thought. Is HEX kind of worth purchasing in a significant manner? We generally don't see a by and large splendid future for HEX in a significant manner. It truly is especially worth purchasing just as in every way that really matters. Momentary hypothesis with a kind of good leave technique, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX explicitly is definitely not a decent kind of long-haul hold.